Hello, mighty wanderers. So today is a foodie vlog. Yep, we are going to have a dinner at a theme-based restaurant. So can you guys guess the theme of the restaurant we are going? I'm wearing an animal print stall, and my baby Jayo is wearing a teddy. Look at his teddy dress. Jeez. What are you wearing, Sian? Come here. Come. Sian is wearing a cute hunter. There's a lizard, there's a bee, there's a bug. And what are you wearing, Mr. Beastie? He is wearing a... what is this? Tiger. He's wearing a tiger. So that's us. There's a teddy, there's a tiger, there's an animal print, and there's a cute hunter. So any guesses, guys? It is a jungle theme. It's a jungle theme based restaurant, and there'll be rain inside. There'll be stuffed animals inside to live. It's already 7:10, so it will be dark outside. So I thought I'll give an intro inside and then go. We are in the car. Zayu is in the car seat. So let me give a brief description about the jungle restaurant. It's in Quram Natural Park. We have been there a couple of times, but it's first visit with Zayu. So let's see. So we have reached the restaurant. I'm going to show you the entrance. Exhibitions here. There's a giant chessboard here. There's a giant chessboard. And that's the Benjamin Hall. This is the jungle restaurant. There's a well. Yep. There's a lion there. Can you see? There's a red Indian. If we are lucky, we will be seeing rain. There was a man here. I think they got destroyed. There used to be umbrellas. We used to keep umbrellas out here. But now I don't see any umbrella. See. So this is the entrance. Can you hear the sound? And it smells so good.
They do not put umbrellas because they do not have the
Can you see this? strong smell, I should say that. Okay. Oh, are you scared, Zayu? Crocodile? Isn't it beautiful? Can you feel like you are in some rainforest? I hope it rains. Man, those carvings see who's there. Somebody is there. I really hope it rains. I wish I could show you guys the raining effect.
Okay, rain. Let us drive. Let us drive. You know that there is umbrella.
Yeah, there's a peacock up there.
You know there is no umbrella over here.
What is this, Yan?
That's a peacock.
They have destroyed all the feathers of that peacock. I will show you, if I have the older clip of this peacock, I'll show you. It had lots of feathers and it used to make the sound, and it was so beautiful. And look at it now. Something we want to show you, the footprints of
Bear, rhino, peacock.
yeah. There's footprints everywhere.
So they can lead us where we want to go. Where the hot and we need to.
That was Sian's discovery, guys.
What? It's a T-Rex.
Who is this?
Understand, it's a T-Rex.
Sian says it's T-Rex. I'm not sure.
It's a baby of T-Rex. It's a baby of
This
T-Rex.
also used to make sounds. All the teeth are broken. I don't know why people do this.
These are first.
There's a tree house. Tree house.
Where the cavemen used to live.
Who is this?
That's a frog.
Make the frog sound.
Ribbit. 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 Ribbit.
That's Sian.
Ribbit.
Here is making frog sound.
Ribbit.
There's a tree house.
Those are mushrooms.
I hope you guys can see. It's dark in here. They have really created the real jungle effect. That's exit right. There used to be a monkey here, right?
What?
There used to be a monkey here.
Yeah, monkey.
Monkey must have been totally destroyed. They have removed it, maybe. So I'll be showing you guys the older photos and videos I'm having of jungle. There was a monkey there that used to make sound. There was a peacock. Yeah, now also the peacock is there, but it doesn't move. The older peacock had more feathers and it was more beautiful. I think the frog is the only one who is in shape. Yeah, see, they are the only one who is in shape. The rest all got destroyed.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Is it rhino? It's not a bull, it's a rhino. Maybe we can see it from inside. I can see a waterfall here. This is the entrance of the restaurant. This is the entrance.
It's totally awesome.
There is a shop. Dettol.
Oh yeah. And there was a yeah, yeah, I found it. Yeah, no. You can see a moose.
What is that?
And the shark. No, bull. Most amazing one here. There's a swan behind.
I introduce you the beastie
Nice to
monster.
open its mouth, but it is not.
Crocodile.
So original, right? I think the theme is based on the Rainforest Cafe. We have been to Rainforest Cafe once. It's a miniature of Rainforest Cafe. The Rainforest Cafe has a much more elaborate things, but here it's miniature. But still, it's cute. You don't get to see these kind of restaurants in Muscat. Don't you think that is the best thing than
Yeah.
jungle restaurants? They don't put restrictions.
Anybody can come.
Anybody can come and see. At least be responsible, guys. They have been kind to open it for us to see, to everyone, to every common people, to see this wonderful creation what they have created here. And please be responsible, please, please, please. And I think we have covered everything outside. Now it's time to enter the restaurant. And today is Tuesday, so it's a working day, so there won't be much crowd inside. No, it is crowded. Is it crowded?
There seems to be crowded.
So I hope I covered everything. Oh, I forgot the snake. There's a snake also. Sorry. There's a snake. Let me see the snake. There. Yeah, there used to be live rabbits.
Live what?
Soil, it's a shovel, and this is a pot. So I give you best plant. So this is a pot. Just draw something.
You can decorate your book. Yes. So decorate your book. It's yours.
So, okay, hold your shovel properly, yes? Okay, and first I mix the soil. Okay, mix it. Yes.